Good morning, student. Today my topic is a Harvard test. The practical number 2. This is the motor fitness test. In the motor fitness test, the first topic is the Harvard. What is the motor fitness test? Motor fitness refer to the capability of an athlete to take part effectively in his and her particular sports. It can also be said that the motor fitness is a person's ability to do physical activity. Next topic, Harvard Motor Fitness Test. Earlier the name of the alliance was Harvard, American Alliance for Health, Physical Education and Recreation, but now it is known as the Harvard. American Alliance for Health, Physical Education, Recreation and Dance. It is one of the oldest. Okay. One of the oldest professional organizations in USA in motor fitness test have been the major instrument for measuring motor fitness in the American school children for over 50 years. This first version of this test was published in 1958 and then revised in the 1965, and after that many changes in the test battery were made in 1975. In Harvard Youth Fitness Test, in this test the following items were included: the battery. Number 1, pull-ups for boy, flex arm hang for girls, flex leg sit-ups, shuttle runs, standing long jump, 50-yard dash, 60-yard run walk, okay, 70 ball, 50 ball throw for distance. In 1975, in 1976, the final test manual was preferred. The following items were finalized in this battery. Number 1, pull-ups for boys, arm hangs the girls, flex leg sit-ups, shuttle runs, standing long jump, 50-yard dash, 600-yard run walk. Next point, administration of Harvard Youth Fitness Test. Number 1, pull-ups for boy. The test measured this turn without taking rest one of the horizontal bar. The total number of the pull-ups are noted. In this test, the chin must reach above the bar while doing the pull-ups. Okay. These are pull-ups. And next, flex arm hang girls. This test is administered on the adjustable horizontal bar. The highest of the bar should be adjusted so that is approximately equal to the standing height of the student. The correct position of hand is shown in the adjoining figures. With the leg of the two girls, the subject body is lifted off the ground until her chin off is the positions above the bar. She is required to hold the bar in the same position for maximum time. Her time is noted in second. She may be allowed to undertake one trial. Okay. Number 2 is a flex leg sit-ups. This is a flex leg sit-ups. In the flex leg sit-up, the student lay on the back with the leg in the flex positions in bent knee position. Her bent hand should be behind the neck. The elbow must touch the knee while doing sit-ups. The total number of the repetitions of the sit-ups is noted in 1 minute only. Number third, turtle run. 2 blocks of the wood, 2 into 2, 4 inches are used in the test. 2 parallel lines are marked on the total 30 feet apart. The 2 blocks are the place behind one of the lines. The subjects start a race behind the other line and decline short. The subject run to the straight line, place the box behind in the line. Okay. These shuttle runs. Then run back on the pick up of the second block with the carry back to the starting line. The time is noted down. 2 trials may be allowed. The best time of the 2 trials is noted down for the record. Number 4 is the standing long jump. What is a standing long jump? Purpose to measure power. In a standing long jump, the purpose is to measure powers. A take-off line is marked on the ground. Subject stand just behind the take-off the line with the feet several inches apart. The subject swing in the arms and bend the knees to take a jump. In the long jump pit, 3 trials are given to the subject. The distance is measured from the take-off line to the heel or other part of the line. All jump are measured and the best one is the recorded. The measure is noted in the feet in the inches. The body touches the ground nearest to the take of the line. All of them are the measured and the best one is recorded. The measure is noted in the feet of the inches. Okay, this is a standing long jump. Number 5 point is the 50-yard dash. 50-yard dash. The 50-yard dash to measure speed. The purpose is to measure speed. So the subject takes the starting position behind the starting line. The starter command, are you ready, set and go. The word is go is accompanied by the downwards sweep of the starter's arms at the signal to the timer. 2 subject can run at the same time. If there are 2 stopwatches, the score is recorded in second to the nearest tenth of a seconds. Okay. The last point, 60-yard run walk. 60-yard run walk. The subject takes the position of the standing right behind the starting line at a signal of the are you ready, set and go. The subject started running 600-yard distance. During the course of the running, he may walk. In this test, many students can run at the same times. Time is recorded in the minutes and seconds. Okay, student. Today my topic is the halfer. So some questions are come in the exam, and by the examiner put the questions. What is the halfer? In a halfer, AAHPER. This is a halfer. So what is the meaning of the halfer? What is the pace battery, pace item in the halfer test? The 6th type of the item in the pace. So some questions are come. Pull-ups. What is the pull-ups for girls? What is the flex arm hand for girls? And purpose, what is the purpose of the flex arm hangs for girl? So purpose is that to measure arm and shoulder strength. Okay, some question are come in the, what is the purpose of the pull-ups for boy? And flex, what is the flex leg sit-ups? What is the flex leg sit-ups? What is the purpose of the flex leg sit-ups? Can you do flex leg sit-ups? So counting the 1 minute. Okay. So shuttle run. What is the purpose of the shuttle runs? Procedure. What is the processing of the shuttle runs? Standing long jump. What is the standing long jump? And purpose of the standing long jump. Procedure of the standing long jump. So sometimes the question come in the exam, in the practical and board paper examination. And 50-yard dash run. What is the 50-yard dash run? What is the purpose, procedure? What is the processing of the 50-yard dash? 600-yard run walk. The sometimes question come in the 600-yard dash. What is the 600-yard dash run? Walking run. And purpose and procedure. So some like this question is come in the examination. So thank you very much, student. Today my topic, the practical number 2 is a complete in the test and measurement, and in the first point of the motor fitness test. So God bless you and thank you very much.